Cessna 77 Bravo, roger, left turn Charlie 3, taxi to executive with me via Charlie.
Taxi to executive with you via Charlie.
Yep, get in and buckle up. You gotta slam it pretty good. Make sure your strap's not hanging out the...
No, it's not. It's on this. Oh! It's on the seat.
Yep, that happens. Don't forget your shoulder harness.
I know.
Well, it's different than yours. You have to,
No, I have to do the same thing. You have to do this after. Oh, so you have to do this before?
right.
Okay, then I don't know. What do I have to do? Just
Unbuckle it.
I did.
You have another one on the other side.
Oh, this is a... Oh, wow, this is big time.
Okay, so you mate those up.
Like this? Look.
Yeah, watch. I'll show you. Wait a minute. I think... Yeah, this is yours. This is mine.
Yes, I got mine.
So you have to lengthen that.
No, I don't really.
Okay, so... Okay, these... You have to mate these on here so that they...
That the things turn out.
See the way they mate? They don't turn out, they mate like that.
Like... Oh, okay.
And then buckle it.
I'm getting it. Hello, Michelle. What's up? We're good. We're heading out towards you, I think, in a little bit. Oh, excellent. Yeah, great. I'll tell him right now.
What's that?
She said it got sunny there.
Okay, good.
All right. So we're heading out. I'll text you because I can't. It's going to be loud in the cockpit, so just look for texts. All right. All right. We'll see you an hour or so. Hour 15.
No,
No, less than that. Less than an hour. All right. All right. Okay. Bye. I'm having trouble with my. They same angle like that.
Yeah.
Okay. And then.
I'll put one on first. No, you got one backwards here. Okay, that's how they go. Now that one mates up right up against it.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Things out, and you said no, don't have them going out. That's, yeah, like this is going that way. So I tried to get them to like lay over each other.
I hope that's not recording already. If it is, there's a lot of editing we're going to do with all this.
No, this is all good. We got to figure this out. Look, we got a guy picking up cones. I can't get my seatbelt on.
You got to get those back out of the way of the buckle. Slide those all the way back. Get these seated back there. Okay, hold them back there.
172 is a much better fastening system. There we go. I'm in.
All right.
I'm in.
So we're back to the checklist.